Hey everyone, we've been busy just like at any good festival, but instead of beers, we've got apps. And today we have a special treat for you. And let's have a look at what the SciP tiers are working at. Hey there, what are you working on?
I just started working on a pretty complex calculation of our return on investment using Jira automation, but right now it's a bit of a deep dive.
Oh, that sounds pretty complex. Have you thought of simplifying things?
Did someone say simplify? I think I've got a better way. Let's try it with awesome custom fields.
Ooh, that sounds like a challenge to me.
Are you in for the challenge?
Alright, welcome to the showdown. Luca here will be using calculations by using Jira automation, and Sonja will be doing awesome custom fields. Let's see which of them will give us the fastest results in the most efficient way.
Alright, I'm setting up an automation rule in Jira. First, I need to define the trigger. When the feature gets delivered, it'll automatically calculate the ROI based on the cost and project revenue.
Okay, I'm starting by configuring the same fields, but instead of automation, I'm using awesome custom fields to keep things simple.
Hey, no sabotaging here.
Next, I'll add conditions and actions to the automation rule, calculating the return on investment. I have to make sure it runs smoothly every time, so this involves some careful steps like setting up conditions to track delivery and revenue.
I'm using the advanced formula in awesome custom fields to pull the same numbers and calculate ROI directly in the ticket. And just like that, I've added a color coding system that highlights high ROI values in green and lower ones in red. No extra steps, just a glance and you know where you stand. Done! The ROI is calculated and the colors instantly show which features are most profitable. It was a smooth setup.
Okay, I'm almost there. Just finishing up these last steps in the automation. Looks good, but it took a little longer.
Alright, the showdown is over. We have a clear winner. Congratulations, Sonja. It looks like both methods work, but one was clearly quicker to set up. Both automation and also awesome custom fields are powerful tools, but just like the Oktoberfest, sometimes simpler is better. And with awesome custom fields, you get your calculations done fast, easy, and with that extra flair. Whether you're using automation or custom fields, it's all about finding the right tool for the right occasion. Prost!